Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your payment history on the Lyft app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see your payment history on the Lyft app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Lyft. Next, click on You on the bottom right-hand corner. Then scroll down and click on Payments. Next, scroll down and then click on Payment History. And then this is where you're going to see your payment history on your Lyft account. So you can click on the payment history and you can see the ride fare and the breakdown. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your payment history on the Lyft app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.